Hey, it's Beatle J, and I know you're having a Beatle day. Here's my beat copy of Abbey Road, and it's this record that helped to fuel or continue the Paul is dead conspiracy theories. It looks like John, he's the preacher, and Paul being the corpse, George is the grave digger, and Ringo is one of the pallbearers. Now this particular record, well, my copy anyways, it's an Apple label. There are many scratches on this. I think I only paid $10 for it. A little bit of background noise, but it still plays, so I'm happy. I'm going to have to replace it with one of the reissues. But anyways, that's my copy of Abbey Road. Now, for myself particularly, there's some great tracks on here. John with Come Together. Ringo's highlight is Octopus's Garden. I love what Paul had done with Oh Darling, and another great track with John is She's So Heavy. Awesome record. The Beatles' last record, actually. Peace out. Cheers from Canada. Yeah. That's the Beatles in 3D. The Beatles' Abbey Road album was recorded in January 1969, and this would be the last Beatles album to be recorded. The front cover does not name the group or the album title. The cover was shot in close proximity to the Abbey Road studio, August 1969. This long play would enter the British album chart at #1 in October and stayed there for a total of 17 of its 81 weeks in the UK chart. In America, it would be at #1 for 11 weeks and would be on the charts for 83. Abbey Road is a rock record that dabbled in various genres: blues, pop, progressive rock. The Moog synthesizer is very prominent on the record, as is the Leslie speaker. Although Abbey Road was an immediate commercial success, many music critics of the day described the music as inauthentic because of the use of artificial effects. But time has been very kind to Abbey Road, and it has been ranked as one of the greatest albums of all time. George Harrison's contributions of Something and Here Comes the Sun being particular highlights. The album's cover, featuring the Fab Four walking across a zebra crossing, has become one of the most imitated images in pop history.